Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing what matters: account, permissions, and a stable connection. Once those are set, open BingBong and sign in. Then tap Start to begin a new session. This initializes the core services and syncs your profile. Make sure to grant camera and mic access so features work correctly. If you see a quick tutorial prompt, skip only if familiar, otherwise follow the short walkthrough. This gets you to the active interface where you can perform the next steps. Now move into the main workflow. Pick the mode that fits your intent. Explore for browsing, create for composing, or share to distribute. Once a mode is chosen, select a template or blank canvas and tweak settings like resolution, privacy level, and output format. These choices affect processing time and quality. You'll interact with tools to record, annotate, or enable automations. Save drafts frequently. Once done, preview outputs and iterate. Make deliberate adjustments so results match your desired tone and clarity. Finish by previewing the output and exporting in the format you need: MP4 for video, PNG for images, PDF for documents. Once exported, share via a link, upload to cloud storage, or save locally. Make sure to set permissions before distributing. If processing stalls or quality is wrong, restart the app and clear the cache. If that fails, check for updates and reauthorize permissions. As a troubleshooting tip, reproduce the issue on a
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.